Hey guys, welcome everyone. So today we are going to solve a problem named as merging two arrays without extra spaces. So the problem states that you have given two array A1 and array A2, and you need to merge them without any extra space. So for example, before starting the problem, I need to say that if you are new in DSA and you want to improve your fundamental in DSAs, then I think so this problem should be in your bucket list while solving. So and this is an easy level of problem and asked in lots of companies. So let's start the problem. You have given an array A of with elements as 2, 4, 5, 6, 0, 0 and 0, and another array of elements 3, 4 and 7. So in interview, before starting the problem, you should start the problem with a brute force solution. So for solving the problem with a brute force solution, you need to check how I can solve this problem. For example, the intuition for solving this problem with brute force solution is that you will be comparing the element of array 1 with the element of array 2, and if the element of array 1 is less than this is our array 1 5 0 0, and the element 3 4 7, you will be comparing element 1 with element of array 1 with element of array 2, and you will be creating an extra space of n plus 1 length. For example, if the length of array 1 is n, then the length of array 2 will be m, and we will be creating a new array of length n plus 1. So if element I and element j, if element I of array 1 and element j of array 2, element I is less than element of j, then we will be putting that element I into the array, the new array which I have created. Then we will increase the pointer I by one position, and again we will compare the new element of I and with the old element of j. Again, if the element of j is less than the element of I, then we will be putting element of j in the new array. We will be doing this process until both array gets finished. So now I will be writing the time complexity of this problem. So after putting all the elements of array 1 as well as of array 2 into after putting all the elements of array 1 and array 2 into the new array, which is array 3, we will get the sorted array, which is the merged result of array 1 and array 2. So the time complexity for this problem will be big O of n plus big O of the time complexity for this problem will be big O of 2n plus n. So 1 n plus n will be for inserting the element of n and m array into the new array, and again after inserting that inserting the element of new then again what we will be doing is we will be inserting the element of new arrays into the previous arrays, which is array 1 and array 2. As the elements are now sorted, the arrays will be get merged. The optimal solution for this problem is we will be initializing two pointers, one pointer for array 1 and another pointer for array 2. We will be not initializing pointer from 0th index. One pointer will be initialized from n-1 index, and the another pointer will be initialized from the 0th index of the next array. For example, I have again 4 2 2 4 5 6 0 0 0 0 1 array 1 and another array of 3 4 7. I will be initializing one pointer from n-1 index, which is last position, and another pointer from 0th index of the new array. So now what we will be doing is we will be comparing the elements if the element which is greater, for example 0 is 0 greater than 3, no, 0 is less than 3, then we will be retaining it. Again we will increasing, is 0 greater than 3, no, we will be retaining it. Is 0 greater than 3, no, we are going to retain it. Is 6 greater than 3, yes, is 6 greater than 3, then we will be putting that element into the new array, which is 6. We are going to swap the elements, so 3 is going to come at the position of the 6 and 6 is going to be placed at the position of the 3. Again we are going to increase the both pointers. Is 4 greater than 5, no, 4 is not greater than 5, so we are going to swap it again, and 4 is going to be will be coming at the position of 5, and 5 is going to come at the position of the 4. Then we are going to increase the pointer again. Is 4 of element of array 1 and the 7 of element 2 is greater. Is 4 is greater than 5, no, wrong, so we are going to swap it. After at one time all the greater elements of the array 2 all the less elements. After this process, all the elements of array 1 which are greater will be swapped into the array 2, and after this we will get our sorted array. So the one process which is remaining is we need to swap this array. So for swapping we will be using array.sort method in Java. So we will be swapping both the arrays, and we will be getting our final result. So the time complexity for this solution will be, in worst case scenario, will be big O of 2n, and because if all the elements are sorted in one array and all the elements are already sorted in another array, then there will be no use of swapping the elements because they are already sorted. So that will be the worst case, and the space complexity will be big of 1, which is constant. So that's it, and I will be seeing you tomorrow. Bye.